All right, here we go. Gonna bring you along for the whole process. Gonna try to anyhow. Get that camera set up.
Baby, they're mean.
They mean already? Oh, they on you. Yeah, doggy. Yeah. Trying to cut the numbers on down. We've looked this whole sheet over. Have not seen the queen. So we hope she's behind it. We keep running them down here. We cut this corner out. I don't want her to escape. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't want her to escape into the back 40. So we've been kind of framing up some of this comb so they'll have some brood and some resources. But I tell you, a lot of drones in here. This, I know for a fact this hive swarmed 4 times. So no doubt a primary and 3 virgin swarms. So we're fitting to cut the last bit of comb off. Try to anyhow.
Ready to cut?
Yeah, let me clear this again. I don't like to work from the top down because you see all that glistening goodness. All that wet nectar is just running. We are in a severe flow right now. Blackberry, poplar, all the above. So it's swarm season for sure. See if we see any brood. Oh yeah, there is brood. There are eggs in there. Yep, eggs and brood. So we know there's a queen in here. How many are? Would you look at the dadburn drones? She filled this thing up with drone brood and then hit the road. So I'll leave you with these fellas. Woo-wee. Look up high, honey.
Yeah, I think them.
Just check, make sure she ain't there. I want to suck these off at some point. That a wrap, Grandma?
That a wrap?
Looks like we can give them a few minutes and let all the stragglers come in.
We want to thank you guys.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all for dealing with us.
Appreciate